Something blue, so I can guess now. Yep. Okay. The chair. Nope. Now. The what? The car. Nope, it's inside. Oh, your pants. Nope, it's not my pants. Oh, is it this rug? Nope. Oh, come on. It's not the rug. You're kidding me. Should have been the rug. Oh, come on now. What? Just play the game. Okay. It's, toaster. Nope, I know. Do you want to know why I know? Because it's this rug. Yeah, come on. I told you it's not the rug. There's a treat in it for you if you get the right answer. Okay? Do you want to play or not? Okay, let's do this. Ready? I spy with my little eye something blue. Rug.